Guys, good morning, good morning. If you saw there, I got to drop off a few packages here this morning. Well, one, because for some reason the shipping wouldn't work properly, so I had to go in and talk them through it because it had to go to a military base. So thank you for all the support, guys. I do appreciate it. I'm wearing one of the hoodies, which I will have up soon. I'm just gonna do like a group buy kind of thing because these cost too much to, I guess, what's the word I'm looking for, to just invest a bunch of money and buy a bunch without knowing the sizes that I need. So I'm gonna throw it up in the site, get a bunch of orders. What you guys order is what I buy, and that's it. I'm gonna do a one run and done. I still have a ton of t-shirts up there which look just like this, but are in t-shirt form. So it has the cool design in the back and then the cool logo on the front, but pretty basic. Now you're probably wondering, why am I out in the middle of someone's parking lot? Well, this is actually Sounds So Good Car Audio in Waynesboro, PA. I was going here to see about getting a stereo system put in the car. I want to have something in it that has like the original speakers. They're all crackly and they're terrible, so I'm like, you know what, let's do that. Well, unfortunately, they're closed today. This is the third time I try to stop by, and every time I try to stop by here, they're always closed on Saturday for some reason or another. Sucks, I get it. That's the beauty of, well, owning your own business. So I have to wait now, and I guess I'll just deal with it later. My brother-in-law Joey here now, and he's changing out the filter on his truck. But now I decided I'm going to clean the filter on the Supra. So I've got the K&N cleaner stuff here. I'm going to go ahead and do that. While I'm at it, yeah, t-shirts. Go ahead and buy some because look. Freaking awesome. Joey, why don't you pick this up for me so that people can see this sweet t-shirt, because it's awesome and y'all need to buy one. They're on the website now, guys, purefunction.net. Again, that's purefunction.net. Flip it around for me. But look at that. Oh, look at the front. Ooh. Got the emblem on both front and back. Yeah, I thought
this might fit me.
Yeah, it might fit Joey. That just might fit Joey. Cocaine. God damn, bro, that shit is stuck. Look at that.
She's tight.
Holy shit! And it's not the band. The band's off. Look at that.
Yeah, that's grippage from the silicone.
Wow.
There she comes.
Wow, it's stuck on that one part. Wow. All right, guys, that's a little weird. But yeah, see how you guys can see how this should be a nice red color, and it's just she dirty. Like you can see on the other side. The side that's not facing the front of the road, and then this is. You can tell which side goes where. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this down here. I'll show you outside how that works. Okay. All right, guys. So what I'm gonna just do now is, well, if this trigger doesn't stick, apparently the trigger sticks on this, but you're supposed to just spray it gingerly, nothing crazy. I'm not sure why the trigger's sticking, but there we go. So the reason I'm doing this, guys, is because, like I said, it's just so dirty. So I want to go ahead and let this sit out here for a couple minutes. We'll get that off too, just because it's dirty. Yeah, just gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes or so. After that, take it over here to the sink and rinse it out, and you'll be able to see how dirty this thing is just from a car that barely gets driven, maybe 3,000 or 4,000 miles. And being an exposed filter, you'll see how much dirt gets in these things. And I live in a pretty clean area. All right, guys, so I went ahead and cleaned out the filter here. I have it sitting outside now. Just got it drying off right now. Yeah, so just letting it sit out here. It's probably going to take a day or two to get all the water out of these things. It always takes a skinny minute to get all the water out, and you don't want to spray them till it's done. So yeah, I won't in this video show it, but just wanted to show you guys that it's out here and drying. I've got the car out here, and Joey's cleaning off his Duramax vessel right now. I'm going back inside because I just sold the rear brakes. So the whole rear non-turbo brakes obviously are worth a lot of money. If you're a super guy, you know that, because you're able to fit 15-inch wheels. I don't care about that because I'm a street car guy. So I went ahead and got them packed up here. I do 2 boxes because I learned the hard way. Don't ever pack a box, especially when you have heavy-ass calipers and brakes. You're going to fuck them up. Oh yeah, I'm watching Lil Dicky and Chris Brown's new song. Kind of like it. Not half bad. Oh, by the way, I'm having an ice cold Keystone because America. So go buy Keystone, tag down below. Ice cold Keystone! If you want one, go down below, check it out. Motor Loot's been selling them for me, helping me out. So you guys should go buy one because, again, fucking America. If anyone else needs brakes, I still have the front brakes. Obviously, brakes do wear out and stuff. These are still perfectly good. You can see they're in good condition. I've got rotors and pads too, which these are like new. When I took them off, it's kind of funny. I measured them, mic'd them out. They're literally almost like having new brakes just because, well, the car didn't get driven a whole lot. I put them on a couple years ago, but the car didn't get enough mileage on it. It'll come with these slotted and drilled discs, and then pads and calipers itself. So if anyone's looking for some, let me know. I've got them here. Yeah. Now, what do we do next?
Curtis, Nick, Cody,
and all their cars. They all suck, but it's okay. I mean, I'm not gonna like blame them for their cars being slow and low, and I mean that's okay as they stand behind me right now. Bagged, and static. So these two are on airlift, which I've just learned a shit ton about because I didn't know anything about airlift suspension or anything to do with bags or any of that kind of stuff. That is a static car back there, which I've talked about before. This is also right-hand drive, so let me go ahead in here real quick. Can you guys see? Yeah, this is a right-hand drive wagon on top. Is this an M too? Is this an M model? No?
It's a 325.
Okay, it's a 325. So it's a 325, and it is rear-wheel drive, I'm assuming then, on CCWs, which he has real wheels, unlike my Supra, which is on cast junk wheels. These all have like rich people wheels on them, because they all have money and stuff, you know, unlike me. But yeah. All the cars are pretty dope. What is there anything done to this, Nick? I mean, is there anything like special about this?
No. It's got an exhaust, a B&B exhaust.
A B&B exhaust is still better than what I don't have a B&B exhaust. It still makes it neat.
Those CCWs and airlift, and that's about it.
Still looks cool, dude. Well, now, what happened to the hood? I just realized this.
Yeah.
What happened there? Oh God. Oh, we're gonna get the hood pop here. Whoa. You guys see that? Look at that. And reverse lift.
The motor's raised.
Oh,
it's
no.
low, and then that hit it.
Oh shit. Yeah, that sucks. So it is still a inline six?
Yeah.
Okay,
M20.
An M20 inline six motor. Dope. No bacon fenders on this. Has a little bit of roughness there. A little bit of roughness, but not bad. I like it. I love how the hood comes up. So Kurt got new wheels for his car here. He got new BVS wheels. Because Nick brought it up that Kurt got new wheels and I forgot all about it. So how excited are you with scale? 1 to 10?
Probably a 10. Maybe 11.
You might be an 11 right now, unlike any girl has ever been. It's probably like a 2 or a 3. But the wheels do look good. Like the car looks good like this. Although I kind of wish they were a little darker. Like I like the silver and all, but I do wish they were like.
Yeah, honestly, the color isn't my personal choice. I'm probably gonna do the center as a different color, but just to change it up, it's like an OEM color right now. The previous center did have them powder coated, but I like to do a little bit darker to make them like stand out a little bit better.
Yeah, I agree. I think that would look good too. It would give a little more pop because the white on this car, which you've talked about. I think we've talked about this before. Like the FRS there, I love like the. What's the color on the FRS? Almost has a bunch of metallic in it, and it looks great in sunlight. But this white is so fucking bright. Like that's a bright ass white. It does look beautiful, but I think a dark set of wheels will really make it even pop more. Cody just got some last minute video here. He's gonna try and get some pictures here out here in the middle of the road now. We got the FRS all good. We got Cody Subaru, we got 2 BMWs, we got Andy's Evo, we got Mike Bolka's R6. It's a pretty good time. Bolka actually drove down from, Bolka, were you at Chambersburg or you were down in Virginia and drove up?
Virginia to Chambersburg, now down to Waynesboro. See the car show here on Instagram.
He saw the car show and he came by. So we're trying to get some epic film right now. I'm gonna jump in front right now of Cody because he's trying to film and do everything. I just love the way this car looks in general. I really need to buy an FRS.
Why don't you have one of these? You have every Toyota made.
I just don't. I mean,
Toyota.
I need to work on it.
This Toyota.
I don't have this Toyota. I need to work on it, guys.
You got a fucking Corolla. I'm good. Yeah, you got a Corolla, but you don't have one of these.
I'm interrupting his filming time, so I'm gonna let him go right now. We'll just watch Cody into work in here. Cody's the man. All leaving now. Everyone's gone. Bulk is still here though, because Bulk won't leave. Bulk is on a bike. It's getting cold as fuck, and Bulk is still here.
But I got a jacket, so we're good.
Bulk's got a jacket, so
we're good, pal.
We got Sean over here. Look, Sean, I can't zoom in because I got a GoPro because it's gay, and he's got a Pure Function hoodie on though. I'll be having some of those soon on the website because rocking one still right now. Yeah, and we got we got Cody Reed right here, and he's making like GoPro noises, and it's like making me think mine's turning
Some,
off.
like, ghetto stuff.
Look at
right
this.
Here.
Look at this setup right
This
here.
is a hell of a setup. Here's how you motovlog, boys.
This is motovlog
The
life.
motovlog.
Do you have a mic inside?
Yeah, it's inside here.
That's my next door neighbor right there. Oh God. Okay, here, about to turn the bike on.
Loud as hell. About to be cold as hell too.
Loud as fuck.
There goes a sight from my soul.